Hello, my dear children. How are you? Fine? Okay, dear children, in this video, we will not be learning any question answers or glossary, anything like this. Okay, so what we'll be doing? We'll be learning how to write invitation letters, like friendly letters. You sometimes there is need to write a letter to your friend. You need to invite your friend on your birthday or on some special occasion. So I'll tell you how to write a letter. Okay, so I'll be telling you the parts of the letter also. Oh my god, who is coming? A burger bun from McD. I think you all of you like eating burger bun and french fries and coke, right? Am I right? But why it is here? It is here because it is saying that you will be learning parts of letter. Like I have parts of my body. What parts do a burger have? See here, like the topmost part, it's a bread, and in the bottom, you can see bread again. And in between, there are salad, pickles, tomatoes, onion, and so many things. Similarly, you have few parts for your letters, like date or heading. Then greetings, body. In body, the main content is here. Then closing of the letter, and finally your signature. Okay, I'll tell you in detail. Okay, first of all, when you have to write an invitation, so these should be included in it. Who, why, where, and when mean four W's. Who will be attending means your friend or friends, group of friends, parents, anyone. So who can be anyone. Who will be attending means who. The next W is why. Reason for your event. Is it a birthday or some other festival or any other occasion? You have to mention that in the invitation. Then third W is where. What is the suitable location? Means the venue where you are going to invite them. Then the last W is when. This can be a set time. Whatever time you set, whatever you fix a time in evening or in the morning, in the lunch time, you have to mention that also. Okay, so four W's should be included in your invitation letter. So I'm going to tell you first sample letter. It's a friendly letter. Write a letter to invite your friend to your birthday party. Okay, so you have to include all these four things: who, why, where, and when. For birthday invitation, I'm just giving you clues, okay? And you can change the details also. Like here, I've used the name Rahul. Mr. Rahul, I'm turning 9. We both will have fun. And the date, when is it? It is on 9 September. And where? The venue, time zone, food court, Noida. And time again, you have told 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. And in the last, your signature. Means you have to tell your name, RSVP, your name, and your mobile number. Okay. These things, these details have to be used in your invitation letter for your birthday invitation. Okay, and of course you can change the name and time and venue, everything as you wish. Okay, so here see, I have written a sample letter. Dear Richa, we are organizing a tea party. See the reason for the party. It's a tea party. We will dance, play, and have fun. We will play games like musical chair and tambola. See, this is the body of the letter. We will also munch on snacks like savories and cookies along with shakes. Now you have to tell the venue also. Venue Zoka Cafe. CP means Connaught Place. Date 9 September 2023. Time 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. RSVP. You have to give your mobile number. I have given my mobile number here. Regards, Neeru. My name means your name here. You are going to invite your friend, and the name of the friend is Richa here. Okay. Now, second sample letter, students. It's again a friendly letter. Write a letter to your best friend asking him or her to join you for a trip to Manali. Means you're planning a trip to Manali and you want your best friend to join you. So what you're going to write? I'll tell you. First of all, on the top, you have to write the place like New Avenue Apartments, Delhi, then date 12 September 2023, 2023. Then name of your friend. Dear Sneha, I hope this letter of mine finds you in the best of health and spirit. It's a very polite sentence. I just wanted to inform you that I am planning a trip to Manali with my parents next week. I want you to join us for the same. I feel we will have wonderful time together like we had last year. I will look forward to hear from you soon. Your lovingly, Mahira. Here your name. And Sneha is your best friend. You are inviting to join her to Manali. Okay? So is it okay? Letter is fine. You like the letter? Okay. So stay tuned and keep watching my videos. Bye bye. Meet you soon in the next video. And please leave a comment if you like my videos. Okay? Take care. Enjoy. Bye bye.